Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up the media remote on your PlayStation 5. So if you bought one of these, just go up to settings right here, and then going down to accessories. Once we're under here, we can just simply go on down to media remote. Then go to set up media remote right here, and then go to next. And this is looking for your media remote to start pairing. Put batteries in your media remote if you haven't already. Press and hold the PlayStation button and the options button on your media remote until it enters the pairing mode. To cancel setting up your remote, press O on your controller. So just press these two buttons right here, and then you can go ahead and just set this up, the PlayStation button plus options, and then you should be able to detect it on the screen and you connect it to your PlayStation 5. Now, your PlayStation 5 also uses HDMI CEC, so if we go back to system right here, we can go to HDMI and turn this on. So if we have device link turned on, if we have our PlayStation 5 connected to our TV and our TV also supports device link, which most TVs do nowadays, you can just grab your TV remote and you can start controlling your PS5 with it, and there's no reason why you would need the media remote for your PlayStation. So you can just look at this as an option, grab your TV remote, start moving around, and it might work. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.